All right, welcome to Drill Down Earnings. We've got the latest look at results from Trade Desk's second quarter numbers here. An important company out of Los Angeles that maybe you don't pay attention to, $46 billion company. But I got you. This is the business story behind that one stock on a move. I'm Cory Johnson, Chief Market Strategist for the Futurum Group. So second quarter earnings from this company, was it a beat or a miss? That's all Wall Street cares about. And yeah, it was a beat, but we care about more. Let's dig into the business here, not just the miss or the beat. Here's what the business actually did. $585 million in revenues, a 26% annual increase. So not only is it a lot more than last year, it's a faster growth rate than last year when it was only about 23%. And their margins are improving. They like non-cash numbers, non-EBITDA numbers. Their EBIT margins, operating margins at 16%, a lot better than the 9% last year. So you take that big revenue growth and an improvement in margins, and you've got more money at the end of the day. As this business is doing well, the bigger it gets, the better it operates. We love to see that. So how is it operating? So interesting to me is when they looked at the last year and what they saw in spend by industry, they saw it was really spread out. It was mostly food and drink and automotive. Okay, that was about a quarter of their business, but lots of other categories: medical, technology, home shopping, home garden, I should say, and shopping and personal finance and travel and style and fashion and business. There will not be a quiz later, but it's important to see that these guys have a really diverse range of places that ads are coming from. And I think they're kind of setting up that in 2024, we might see a lot of money from political ads, but because they have such diversity beyond whatever happens this year, that diversity will surely continue going forward. So again, adjusted EBITDA, $585 million for this company. Net income, $242 million for this company, doing quite well. And with that growth that's been going on, it's starting to look better for the stock, maybe. Stock in after hours trading was up 4%. Stock in the last year was up 4%. So it's doubled its return to investors. It's been a pretty volatile year for this stock, but things looking good, at least in terms of this quarterly result. The big opportunity they talk about in the press release and the conference call today was connected TV, CTV. They say there are 90 million households with connected TV, whether it's ads showing up on your Samsung channels or whether you've got an ad-supported Amazon or Netflix account. Those things are growing for this business, and they think it's about to happen in big numbers. Again, also 120 million devices in the connected TV world. Here's what CEO Jeff Green had to say about that.
There is no one single player that has anything close to what Facebook does in social or what Google has in search. So as a result, if you house a bunch of inventory there and then don't enable people to bring data to work from other places, it will not perform as well. And so it is true that more inventory has been coming online in CTV. But what sometimes I think gets lost, especially in discussions about CPMs, is that there is a greater desire for marketers to find their exact audiences than they've ever been, or than there has ever been. And they have to look across all these different pools of inventory in order to find the small pieces in each of them that give them the efficacy that they need to be effective and to put their dollars to work as effectively as possible. That's only possible when you're looking across the entire open internet.
All right, what's this all mean? The big drill on earnings takeaway and the one number that tells you a whole lot. I'll have that for you right after this.
The Drill Down is brought to you by Futurum Group, where analysts, researchers, advisors, content creators, and marketing experts help business leaders anticipate and understand shifts in their industries and build strategies to leverage disruptive innovation. With deep analysis, Futurum Group's extensive industry experience delivers reliable research and data, thought leadership, and actionable advice to help you with your strategy and go-to-market efforts. Futurum Group.
So Trade Desk with second quarter earnings, the stock is moving, it's doubled its return of the year on these results right here. Here's your essential summary, your drill down earnings takeaway. So 26% increase in year-over-year revenues. And I think that's the most important number here. That's your drill down bite, the one number that tells us a whole lot, because we can see this business is growing. It's growing fast. It's growing more profitably because advertising works. All right, thanks for listening to Drill Down Earnings. I'm Cory Johnson. You can check out all of our stuff at 6.5 Media on YouTube, on X, and at Drill Down, and of course on TikTok.